Friday, everyone. Thank you guys once again for tuning back in, and let's get right into it. So, today was a pretty good day for the NASDAQ, right? Overall, throughout the day, it was pretty bullish on the day, and it was trending above this EMA line pretty well, right? And it was forming just this higher high and higher low pattern, right? The lows it had, every time it came back down for a low, it progressively got higher, just like the highs did, right? So, just to quickly cover how I did on the day, if you guys saw in the thumbnail, I had 32 filled orders. Here they all are. And on top of that, I was up here $46.59, right? Because I only day traded TQs today, right? That's all you see right around here. And as far as how I went about day trading it, right? I want to go ahead and jump into that. So, right around here was when the market was opening up at 6:30, literally exactly kind of right here. So heading into the market open, I was just aware of the fact that in the pre-market, the Nasdaq was showing signs that it wanted to uptrend, right? It kept continuously making these higher highs and higher lows, and it even broke out nicely right around here and had this nice gap up. So heading into the market open, I was just aware of the fact that the Nasdaq overall looked to be a little more bullish, right, and uptrending, and I wanted to go with that. So when the market opened up, I gave it like a minute or two, and once I saw it wanted to keep climbing and basically keep validating this EMA line here as a support to basically just hold it, right, to hold above it is what we mean by a support. It's just holding it as it keeps going, right? Anytime it approaches the line, it keeps getting using it as a support to keep pushing up. So when I was just seeing that, right, and I decided to get in with a quarter originally, and today I was only at $46 because if you guys will notice, I never really averaged in. Today I was definitely a little more hesitant to average up because I've been red throughout the week this week, and yesterday unfortunately I didn't get a chance to trade at all, but today I definitely look to keep it lighter, and if you guys will see, I only averaged in one time, right? For my biggest trades, I was only in with 50%. So I was buying with a quarter and average in one time. So in regards to that, right, I definitely could have capitalized on this big move up a lot better for sure. But I wanted to basically add when I saw signs that TQs wanted to keep showing signs of growth, right? You have to ask yourself that if what you're buying in, if it makes sense to buy in. So when I saw that the market wanted to keep pushing up above here, I bought in, and as it started to climb aggressively, I would basically look to sell, because what ultimately made me do that was this area right around here. I saw the market wanted to struggle when it approached the top VWAP here. It was trying to find a resistance, and multiple times, if you guys can see there, right, the market tried to bounce and would get rejected off of this area here. So I thought it was showing signs of weakness right around here, and that's why anytime, let's say, I would buy in and it would push up right around here, I would look to basically cut it. Or anytime I bought in and it made a new high, I would look to cut it. So I made the majority of my money just with $2,500 today, right? So that's almost, my daily goal is $100, so I'm at halfway through my daily goal. But as far as the amount I used today, that's almost 2%, right? $50 using $2,500, so not the worst at all. And I need to work on being more comfortable when the signs are there, when the market really wants to show that it wants to hold this pattern. I need to send it at areas where it makes sense, like let's say it broke above this resistance here after it had another leg up, right, showing that it wants to keep going. And yeah, I should do my part in averaging in and to take better advantage of a nice move like this, because I was only up half of my goal, and that's obviously not good on a big move up like this. The one thing I was happy about though was that because I only bought in with a quarter, I was able to avoid a lot of these fake outs, right? Because since I only bought in with a quarter, I gave myself some nice wiggle room for this thing to basically break pattern, right? Because if I fully averaged in around here, even a play, let's say, to right around here, a drop like that would be nice, right? It would be a big loss for me. So that's why buying in with a quarter, I was able to let myself, let's say, fall now up to right around here with a nice break below this pattern, right? Seeing it no longer wanted to keep uptrending. but that never happened obviously, and it kept going, and that's why I just kept going with it. And unfortunately, as you'll see today, I was done trading by 7:42, and that is right around here, this area right around here. And unfortunately, I didn't get to trade more after that because I was just busier this morning. I didn't have enough time to keep trading. But I did log on to the market after it sold off to right around this area. And I thought there was another play possible, right, for a higher low still. Another leg up. You just need to watch out for that. And yeah, basically just, if you guys find yourself getting faked out a lot by direction, just pay attention to the blue EMA line. That's what I've started doing. And I think it's been helping out a lot. Because right around here, when you saw the market starting to use the blue EMA line here as a resistance, not a support anymore, right? Anytime it would push up near it, it would want to get rejected and fall. When you start seeing that, that's kind of an indication to you that it looks like the market might start changing direction, right? After it was uptrending so much. And it's not until you see a break above the blue EMA line here again, after this nice sell-off, that you finally start to see another leg up, right? As it starts to basically switch direction and now use the blue EMA line here as a support. So I hope that makes sense for you guys, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave any questions down below. I'd be happy to answer them, and hope you guys have a nice and long weekend and a 4th of July. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and take care.